3 hour calls. 2014 thought 1 day 3 forwards and roll. And next step loyalty. 1 gram investment loyalty and very big amount you earn every day. Everyone's about had a different moment and time is about. And next step referral and referral and 200-300 from everything the what having big price point. What do you think about employees? I think about in real content about this. And next time contacts and want to have for last unit in a very big amount